friends, it's Shana and I'm back, and some of you requested that I do a comparison between my Neonoe and my Noe BB, and I'm also going to do a combination of what fits in both of them. So as you guys know, I don't put a lot in my bag, so this will be fun. And let's start off with my Neonoe. So I'm going to make sure that I put the dimensions, and this is what she looks like. And so I have added, give her a little once around for you, my little pom-pom, and that's a Louis Vuitton bandeau. Very nice. One of you asked to see, and I'll show you. It doesn't necessarily line up like I would like it to. There you go. Some additions. I added a top handle to it, and I love it. It makes it, this bag is so light, and you could just grab it and go. Absolutely love it. So I want to show you some things that go in here, and then we'll see if they go in my Noe BB. So I typically have my key holder in here as well. You could probably fit another key tray in here. So the only piece that I have that I don't think will fit in here is this. And I have some other things in here, but like, as you can see, if I put it in, it just won't lay right. So, and this is my cosmetic pouch GM. So we'll see if it fits in the Noe BB. I just want to say this is courtesy of my hairdresser and friend. Her name is Latoya, and she said I needed to put something on my lips. So there you go. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I just want you guys to know she smells so good. I know I'm a weirdo, but I love it. 6 key holder, key clay. I'm being aggressive. Card holder, recto verso. Tic Tacs. I can't chew gum, so that's what I use. Mini pouchette. I have makeup in it again. Guys, I'm back with the makeup in it. Because you'll see. And then my Toiletry 15, which is my catch-all. So it has pens, it has chargers, business cards, my lotion, Tylenol, things like that. Okay, so that is everything that was in the bag. You remember I told you I don't carry much. However, in the middle piece, like there's a zip in the middle zip compartment. And in there, I have my work keys. There's a receipt, my work keys. Obviously I have that receipt. I have my eyeglasses, and I also have feminine products that I'm not taking out. So, sorry ladies. Empty, love it. It's so light. I'm enjoying it. Carefree, loving the additional strap, and I will link that below. Okay, great. Ladies, so since the last time you saw this bag, I did add some additions to it. So this light pink pom-pom that I actually like. It's cute. We'll see how it goes. And my luggage tag, you've seen that I had for my graceful MM. And then I did also add a top strap to it, a top handle, excuse me. And I'm excited about that. And since I saw you last, I did the apple guard. So I feel like it's slightly patinaed, all the vachetta, but I feel more confident, and I'm not really worried about water stains or getting it dirty, or, you know, it's gonna patina, so that happens, okay? So now let's see, and you know I added this slide. which is amazing. So let's see what fits in. So inside here right now, I am, unless I get a new strap, I'm planning to use my 16 mm with this bag, okay? So that's in here. All right, so the big thing is, does the cosmetic GM fit in here? Okay, it does. And I wonder how it will impact how it zips. But as you see, it like takes up a big piece of it. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put in, because of the real estate it takes up, my toiletry 15. Then my mini pouchette. Okay. They're all in here right now. Put my Tic Tacs in there. Gonna put my recto verso in there. I'll put my 6 key holder in there, and I'll even put the key clay in there. And then I would just have to like lay my glasses on top here. So, which is not safe. I did order a harder glasses case for when I transition to this bag. So all of that fit in, which, oh, and then my work keys, there's like a D-ring, so like ideally I would hook it to that, but that doesn't. And then let's see with closing it. Ooh. So when I close it though, oh, it's heavy. It's very heavy. And it's very heavy. And it, you know, it closes. It looks fuller than I would like it, okay? So I personally don't plan to use the cosmetic GM. That's what I got the toiletry 15 for, to replace it in here. And I typically wouldn't have the key clay in here, but I'm going to put it in here just for, you know, the intent of this video, or the intent of this video. Lighter, the Neonoe is lighter, I feel like, from what I can tell, but she's still cute. Look, she lays nicer in the back than in the front. Let me, okay. Now she's cute on both sides. I like it. She's cute. I don't know why these feel heavier in this bag than in my Neonoe, but because it's all the same things. But they both all fit. And so technically this fits more, the Noe BB, because it had the cosmetic GM with all that other, with all my other items in it. So I'm excited. I think they both are going to be amazing bags for me. I wanted a Speedy 25, guys, but I don't know that I'm going to need it after this. So I'm really excited to bring her out, but I won't do that until probably May. And so, because she'll be my kind of like spring into summer bag. And so, yeah. Okay, friends, I hope that you like what you heard and what you saw. If you did, I ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. And I hope to see you guys back soon.